so freaking nervous. I think I'm just nervous because this is being recorded. But if I had somewhere to go, I could possibly do this. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today in the lab, I'm going to be doing a challenge. So my girl here on YouTube, you guys know I talk about her all the time. ANDREA RENEE has challenged us, a few of us in this beauty community, to do this 5-minute makeup challenge. Comment down below if you can do your full face or get put together in 5 minutes. I want to know how long it takes. How long does it take you to get your makeup on? But so that I won't have to edit this video too much, I'm gonna try to do this in 5 minutes. So I don't know, but 5 minutes I usually can do, especially when it's time to go to work. But girl, I am nervous. Okay, so we're gonna try this out. Let me get the timer started, and I'm gonna try to hold them up, talk about the product. If not, then all the products will be listed down below. So if you want to see me do this 5-minute makeup challenge, make sure you give this video a thumbs up for more challenges and hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps me out. And if you want to see if I can do this challenge in 5 minutes, then girl, keep watching. Okay, starting off with moisturizer. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge, and I use this because it's pretty lightweight on the skin. Now, you guys know that has been watching me and subscribed to me for a while, I usually do my brows first. But this right here, oh my gosh, I'm talking too much. I'm not going to do my brows first. I'm going to show you what I do. I actually have a video here on my channel. I'll link it in the top of the cards. A 10-minute realistic. That's realistic. I can do my face in 10 minutes, but 5 minutes, girl. So this is the Milk Makeup foundation stick. I tried to grab some products that are that I don't really use a lot, but I love. Oh my gosh, I'm like beating my face. Okay. All right, I may not talk to you guys, so let's just vibe out together. This is too funny. Oh my gosh, it's not funny anymore. 3 minutes. Okay. Concealer, Juvia's Place. Oh my gosh. All right, while that's drying, I'm gonna go ahead into my brows. I'm going in with this LA Girl pencil just on the bottom. Just to line the bottom. Oh my God. Oh my God, 3 minutes. Taking this product here, Gimme Brow. Y'all, I'm so competitive. I'm like competing with myself. It's not a competition. It's just a challenge, but I want to win. I want to win the challenge. Okay, we can come back to that. All right, let's blend this concealer. Oh my God. Oh, I put too much. Because when you gotta go, honey, when you gotta go, you can't be putting all that. We not doing a full beat. LaMonicas, what was you thinking, girl? Yo, my hand is hurting. Oh. Okay, Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm trying to slow down because we got this. You know what I'm saying? Come on, y'all. Oh, God. I gotta fix this brow. All right, MAC bronzer. MAC bronzer. It's 2 minutes. My MAC blush. I talk about this blush all the time. I'm gonna set everything else with this Cover FX powder. Going back into my brows. Let me just fix this up. Okay, we can't just make it look sloppy. Oh my gosh, a minute left. Highlighter. My arm actually hurts. This is the Bobbi Brown highlighter. Mascara is gonna be the Marc Jacobs. Oh my gosh, 55 seconds. I don't know if this is looking cray-cray or what. I feel like, oh, I'm forgetting a lip. Spirit by MAC. Oh my gosh. I almost forgot a lip. 30 seconds. I don't got time for no lip liner. These brows are looking cray-cray. 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, that's it. That's it. Okay, let me turn this off. First of all, she's beat for 5 minutes. Don't ever concede defeat. Like this right here is not bad. I got a little lint in my hair from my little headband, but I didn't get a chance to lay my edges down and all that because we don't have time for all that. But y'all, she looked all right for 5 minutes. Like it looked like she took some time. Well, she had this on throughout the day. I don't know, but you tell me. I'm actually impressed. I usually do take my time when I do my 15 minutes, but this right here, 5 minutes, no lashes. I usually go in for days with coats of mascara when I'm not doing any lashes for looks like this. So I didn't have time to keep putting coats on. I really go ham on my bottom lash line, and then I put a lot on my top because I like it to look really, really volumized. But this mascara is bomb for that anyway. But overall, I'm so glad I chose this. This is the Milk Makeup Flex Foundation. It'll be listed in the description box. Girl, get your hands on this, okay? It's bomb. I ain't mad at it. Y'all let me know what you think down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Andrea, thanks for this challenge. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. As I mentioned before, it does help me out. And if you want to see more fun videos like this, then make sure you have your post notification bell turned on as well. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.